Martin version of my Bible verse reflection. The verse is Psalm 63, verse 3 to 4. Because your love is better than life, my lips will glorify you. I will praise you as long as I live, and in your name I will lift up my hands. So the key takeaways for this Bible verse is that love over survival. In the original Hebrew, the word used for love is hesed. Hesed. God's loyal covenantal and unfailing love. Even while facing a literal threat to his survival in the wilderness, David declares that possessing this divine love is far more valuable than physical existence itself. Then vocal and embodied praise. Worship in these verses is not a silent, purely internal feeling. It is a holistic act expressed outwardly through speech. My lips will glorify you, and physical action. I will lift up my hands. A posture of surrender. In the ancient Near East, lifting hands was the traditional posture of prayer. It symbolized total dependence, emptiness, showing you are holding on to nothing else, and an eagerness to receive from God. Enduring commitment, promising to praise God as long as I live, shifts worship away from being a temporary reaction to good circumstances, transforming it into a permanent, lifelong orientation of the heart, even when stranded in a desert. Then the reflections for for our daily lives of this Bible verse is that worshiping in the wilderness. It is easy to be grateful when life is comfortable. But this psalm challenges you to anchor your praise in God's unchanging nature rather than your shifting circumstances. It is a reminder that dry, exhausting, or frightening seasons do not diminish God's hesed. The Hebrew word hesed. Reevaluating true security. If God's love is truly better than life, it prompts a re-evaluation of what you cling to for safety and happiness. It suggests the ultimate peace is found not in wealth, health, or perfect circumstances, but in relational connection with the divine. Engaging the whole self, because spiritual practices can easily become trapped in our heads. This passage is an invitation to involve your body. Speaking out loud, singing, simply opening eyes while praying help anchor a wandering mind and make the act of surrender feel tangible. So, basically that's the reflection and key takeaways for this Bible verse. Use social media the right way, know Jesus Christ even more, and let's regather lost souls, especially those who are shying away from Him. God bless.